every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
Hi guys, let's unbox Xiaomi Home Security Camera 360. I bought it from Lazada for 1,829 pesos. It's a bit pricey than V3A0, which only cost 599 pesos. This is the picture of Mi 360. Its features, specifications, and more features. It has 360-degree panorama, two-way intercom, infrared night vision, H.265 video codec, 3 megapixels, 1.4 large aperture, low light full color, AI human detection. What's inside of this box is the instruction manual, which are translated in English and in Chinese. What I like about this is it has a long USB cable, but sadly they didn't provide the adapter. Accessory kit if you want to install it on your wall. And finally, Xiaomi 360 security camera, speaker, QR code, let's wait for a few seconds to initiate and wait for the voice prompt.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the body labeled Enter the configuration interface. Waiting for connection.
By the way, I bought 32GB SD card. It's actually the maximum capacity, and the storage will last for about 7 days. The micro SD card slot is located at the bottom of the camera, so you need to tilt it upward. Let's install the app. It's Mi Home.